What's going on, guys? I'm back at you again with another video. It's been a while since the last time, but yeah, there's been a lot going on. I actually just did the battery delete to the back of the car just to make a little more space, but I'm planning to go one big single turbo by next year, so that might be happening. But yeah, no, I did some stuff all around, but I didn't update too much because actually I started being a little demotivated, you know, like I don't have enough time for the videos to make the edits and stuff. So yeah, that's the that's the battery on the back right there. So I just got a power wire going all the way to the front. I actually need to upgrade it because it's too small and the car is having a hard time to start. And a ground wire, of course. Other than that, I should have made a video about that actually. I don't know why I didn't. Like I said, I've been demotivated, but I'm gonna try to do it again. Actually, for this video, I have my new coil packs I actually bought from Russia. It took about 2 months to get here. So what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna replace it for my Misfire. So I'll have to take this pipe out and the engine cover that I made out, so it's gonna be right underneath. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is take out these bolts, take out that bolt, this bolt, and the one right under there. You guys don't see it. Sorry about my voice. You don't see it too well, but there's a bolt right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to that. Yeah, I really wish I could have done the other videos, but there will be another video coming in about my BMW that I told you about. I bought an E60, so you'll see that probably in the next video. Alright guys, I just took out the engine cover. I loosened this up to get the last one over there. So I just took out the first one. As you can see, it's much more dirty and old looking. This one is used, but it has a 50,000 kilometers on this, and mine has 140 almost. Cylinder in there looks pretty good. There's no oil at all, which is what's most important to me. Still looking pretty good. So what I'll do now is I'll replace the old ones with the new ones. No time to waste. Yeah, because the sun is going down pretty quick now these days. So I'll be replacing those three real quick. I'll be putting it all back. Oh, and by the way, to take this out, there's 2 bolts, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. And that's all you gotta do to take this out. That's really a 10-minute job if you know what you're doing. Yeah, so I'll put it back and see if my Misfire is sold. Actually, I don't know if I said that, but I did try out swapping my coil packs with another Galant VR4 locally here. The guy was nice enough to let me try, and it did get rid of my Misfires. So I did end up buying these coil packs used for cheap, really cheap. So yeah, it should be getting rid of my Misfire correctly. So I'll start putting it all back and I'll get back to you guys. They're all in, all 3 is in. I actually quickly inspected all 3, and it makes me think that this is the faulty one. I can smell a little more gas. I can smell it with this one way more than I did on those 2. Like the cylinder, the middle cylinder right here, it smelled way worse than the other 2. So it makes me think, or it leads me to think that this is probably most likely the one. So yeah, I'll be putting everything back. I'll give the car a quick test drive, see if it's still Misfire. If it's not, there we go. That's our quick fix. And if it is, then I guess we got some more work to do then. Alright, this is all done. I have the old injectors. Right now I just gotta boost the car real quick because I told you my battery is not the best. So I'll do that, and then I'll see how the car runs. took it for a test drive like you saw, and it is a beast now. It's a completely different car. Finally, it drives so well. I love it. I can finally feel all the power that this car has, which is a lot of power. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. There's more coming out. I'll probably be doing my BMW soon, so you'll see that. I have a couple stuff to do on it. So yeah guys, see you on the next one.